Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Taurus Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February for all the Taurus Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun controls your fourth house, and right now Sun is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn. Sun will stay in your ninth house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 10th house Lord is also moving in your 10th house. Fourth house deal with your mother. Your mother's health is seen from fourth house. Your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house. Your home, your physical home, your properties is seen from fourth house. Where you live is seen from fourth house. Your vehicles, your comfort, how much comfort you will have in your life, how much conveniences you will have in your life is also seen from fourth house. And your emotions, because generally if we see from chronological order, fourth house comes to your fourth house is Cancer, and lord of Cancer is Moon. So Moon is the natural controller of your fourth house, but in your birth chart fourth house is controlled by Sun. So that's why we see your emotion from your fourth house. And right now your fourth house Lord is moving in your ninth house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your teachers, your mentors, your love related matter is seen from ninth house, your pilgrimage, your long distance travel, etc. etc. is seen from ninth house, and your fortune is also seen from ninth house. So your fourth house Lord is moving in your ninth house till 14th of February, where your 12th house and 7th house Lord Mars is already moving, and Mercury, which controls your second house and your fifth house, is already moving. So that's why till 14th of February we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere in the month of February, especially till 14th February, because your 12th house Lord, foreign settlement Lord, and which represent your foreign lands, are right now moving in the house of long distance travel, and Sun, which controls your fourth house, your homeland, is also moving in your ninth house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your father's health and your relationship with your father. Also, if you are in post-grade education, then we can expect great result for your education related matter as well in the month of February, especially till 14th of February. After 14th of February, Sun will move to your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. So after 14th of February, when Sun will move to your 10th house, from 10th house, Sun will also expect your 4th house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your 4th house related matter. After 14th of February, you may get good result regarding your properties, regarding your vehicles related matter, and your comfort related matter in the month of February, especially after 14th of February. Sun will stay in your 10th house, and Saturn is already moving in your 10th house in a strong position. So if you are a politician and if you are some celebrity, then we can expect great result regarding your work related matter and your fame related matter as well in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Taurus Ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house. And right now Mercury is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn. Mercury just moved from your 8th house to your 10th house after 2nd February 2024, and Mercury will move from your ninth house to your 10th house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. So right now in the month of February, Mercury is moving in your ninth house, and Mercury controls your fifth house and second house. Second house deal with your family history is seen from second house, your early upbringing is seen from second house, your money matters, your savings, your bank account in the form of money, in the form of jewelry is also seen from second house, your speech and your mouth region is also seen from second house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationships, your early education, till college life education is seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance is also seen from fifth house. Your mental ability, how genius you are, how smart you are, how fast you can learn things is also seen from fifth house. Your positions is also reflected by your post at your work is also reflected by fifth house. So right now Ketu is moving in your fifth house, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your ninth house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your education related matter. But you may face some lacking in your mental abilities, in your learning abilities, due to Ketu is present in your fifth house, and Ketu is a naturally malefic planet. But till Mercury is moving in your ninth house will be fortune, and also ninth house will be higher education and philosophical knowledge. That's why we can expect great result regarding your education related matter. Your second house lord is also moving in your ninth house, and Sun and Mars is also moving in your ninth house, as we discussed previously in Sun section. Second house deal with your money related matter, and money related matters. Lord is moving in your house of fortune, in the house of travel, in the house of foreign land, in the house of father, in the house of fortune. That's why we can expect great result for your money related matter as well, and your family related matter, because your second house lord see, because from second house is your family, and right now your family lord is moving in your ninth house. Also, if someone from your family want to travel some foreign land in the month of February, then we can expect great result for them till 20th of February, till Mercury is moving in your ninth house, because ninth house also deal with long distance travel. After 20th of February, Mercury will move to your 10th house from your ninth house. 10th house deal with your work, as we discussed previously, your superior, your bosses, your fame, and your authority in your life is also seen from 10th house. So after 20th of February, when Mercury will move to your 10th house, so your fifth house and second house lord will be moving in your 10th house. We can expect good result for your money related matter, but you need to be take care of your mental abilities and your children's health and your love relationship after 20th of February, when Mercury will move to your 10th house, because Ketu is right now moving in your 5th house, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your 10th house, where Saturn is already moving in its strong position. So we can expect these. So you need to be take care of your love relationship, your mental abilities, and your learning abilities in the month of February. Also, but we can expect great result regarding your post and position related matter at your workplace. If you are looking for some promotion at your workplace, then we can expect you will get it after 20th February 2024, because your 10th house is in a strong position. Saturn is moving in its own sign, and Mercury will also join your 10th house after 20th February 2024. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Taurus and people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Venus controls your first house and your sixth house. And right now, your first house and sixth house Lord is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Venus is your ascendant Lord, means Venus is very important planet for you people, all the Taurus ascendant people. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your general health, your mental perception, your thinking perception is also seen from first house. Your fundamental nature, your physique, your body is also seen from first house. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your debt, your loans, and your daily routine in context of your work is also seen from sixth house. Your health issue, especially your acute health issues, is also seen from sixth house. So in the month of February, Venus, your first house and sixth house Lord is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Sagittarius, and Venus will stay in your eighth house till 11th February 2024. After 11th February, Venus will move from your eighth house to your 10th house. So till 11th of February, till Venus is moving in your 8th house, then we can expect some unexpected gains of money for you people from foreign land, because Jupiter is right now moving in your 12th house, and from 12th house Jupiter is expecting your 8th house, which is Jupiter's own house. Means Sagittarius sign comes into your 8th house. So Jupiter expecting its own house, and your first house, your ascendant Lord in your 8th house. That's why we can expect suddenly you will get some good news regarding your gains related matter, regarding your work related matter, regarding your travel related matter in the month of February, especially till 11th of February. After 11th of February, when your first house Lord will be moving in your ninth house, then as we discussed previously in Sun section, Mercury section, then if you want to travel somewhere, then we can expect great result for your travel related matter, because Jupiter is right now moving in your 12th house, and your ascendant Lord is also moving in your ninth house after 11th February 2024. Venus also controls your sixth house, and sixth house Lord is moving in your eighth house. So negative always cancels each other out. So one naturally malefic house Lord is moving in another naturally malefic house. So till 11th of February, we can expect great result regarding your court case, litigation, argument, fights related matter. If you are dealing with some issues in your life, then we can expect things will turn into your favor till 11th of February. After 11th of February, Venus will move to your ninth house. So when your sixth house lord will be moving in your ninth house, then you may have to face some difficulties, some health related issues regarding your elders and fathers in the month of February. But we can expect great result because Mars is moving in your ninth house and Mars is in its exalted position in your ninth house because Capricorn sign considered as exalted position for Mars. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Moon controls your third house, and right now Moon is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of February, and on the basis of 6th February, we are predicting for whole month because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon for single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these house and Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem, and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now, Mars is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn. Mars is just moved from your 8th house to your ninth house after 6 February 2024. And Mars will stay in your ninth house till the whole month of February. And Mars is right now is in an exalted position in your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn. So 12th house will be your foreign settlement, your spirituality matters in from 12th house, your donations, your isolation, your long-term investment, your expenditure, your losses also seen from 12th house. 7th house will be your marriage, your legal bindings, your relationships in general is seen from 7th house, your business partnership is seen from 7th house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from 7th house, and your fame along with 10th house also seen from 7th house. So your 12th house and 7th house lord is moving in your ninth house. That's why we were saying in some section, if you want to travel somewhere or someone from your family want to travel some foreign land in the month of February, then we can expect great result for your travel related matter because Jupiter is also moving in your 12th house and Jupiter is expecting your ascendant lord in your 8th house, and after 11th February 2024 Venus will also move to your ninth house in the house of long distance travel, and Mars is already moving there. Seventh house Lord is also moving in your ninth house. That's why if you're married, then we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. If you're unmarried, then we can expect great proposal from foreign land for you people in the month of February. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of February. We will have four major astrological events in the month of February. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your ninth house, and Sun will stay in your ninth house till 14th February. After 14th February, Sun will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your ninth house, and Mercury just moved from your eighth house to your ninth house after 2nd February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. And from your ninth house, Mercury will move to your 10th house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your ninth house, and Mars is just moved from your eighth house to your ninth house after 6th February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your eighth house, and Venus will stay in your eighth house till 11th February 2024. After 11th February, Venus will move to your 9th house in the sign of Capricorn. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Taurus Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.